The background looks a little bit different in this video. Okay, let's see if I can catch you up in approximately 2 sentences. About 4 weeks ago, I sold my big red van that I had converted into a camper van and had been living out of for the past couple of years. I've put a deposit down on my next vehicle, my next rig. It is 4x4. I'm excited to share it with you. However, there's a twist. The vehicle, I keep wanting to say what it is. I'm not going to give away the surprise. The vehicle is not currently in the United States. This is not 2 sentences, is it? The vehicle is currently on a cargo ship. It needs to arrive into port. It needs to go through customs. And then we can get started. We can get started on the next build. We can get started on the new adventures. But in the meantime, I am traveling across the country, road tripping, if you will, with my friend Mariah and her little dog Finn. And this video is that story. It's a road trip story, but I think actually this video is a story about friendship, and I hope you enjoy this one. So. Alright. Oh my god. Let's see how long that lasts. This feels weird. That's right. I don't remember what you did. Hello.
Are you a Nevada resident?
No.
Okay, so it's gonna be $15.
How much is the campground?
So basically, if you're in a Jesus, I can't talk. If you're in a site that has no hookup, it's $10 on top of the entry.
Okay, sweet.
If it's a spot with hookups, it's $20 on top of the entry.
Okay.
So 25 or 35. Here's a map. This is gonna go on the windshield. There's $5.
Thank
There
you.
are 2 campgrounds. Both of them are on the same road. It's 2 miles down. You're gonna make a left.
Okay,
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm very confusion.
Doesn't make any sense.
Wow.
Look at the clouds. Do we even need the heater? I can't tell.
I think when I'm all cozy, I won't need it yet.
Yeah, I don't think yet. We'll probably need it tonight though.
Yeah, I would just wait until tonight.
Oh, I love this. I love that it's big enough for both of us to be in here and like.
Mm-hmm.
This is so cool. This is our like first like close quarters sleepover.
It is. A year into friendship.
I know, a year, a whole year.
Like a long distance friendship.
We totally had a long distance friendship. I don't know if I have a knife.
What?
It's already boiling.
The scissors.
Seriously though, that was a good idea.
Oh, frick. Oh. Possibilities.
Yeah, you can do it. See, this is the kind of road trip that I wanted right now. I didn't want to live in a comfortable van. I wanted
This.
this.
We're making veggie pasta, but we just don't happen to have a knife in Steve, so we're winging it.
Anna, I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my god.
Honestly, it's turning out so well.
I think it is. I really think it is. I think that this is so glad that you came.
Dude, I know.
I'm so
This
glad.
feels very spontaneous.
Yeah, in like the best freaking way, dude. We can just waterfall it. We're at that stage.
We are. We really are.
We are really in it. We're gonna be really in it tomorrow when we don't have a bathroom.
Oh yeah.
This is the campsite that I would totally forget it at too, because I've already forgot some wine. Come on, let me go. Come on, please. Alright.
That rain, man. Okay.
Come here, Finn. Come here. Hi. Good morning. Oh. How did you sleep last night? How did you sleep? How did you sleep? Last night it was... Oh, good morning. Good morning. It got really cold and wet and rainy and windy last night, but somehow it was still super cozy. Ah! Are you excited? Should we go into Utah today? Should we go into Utah? Said yes. Oh my god, I'm so grateful for this week right now.
Me too.
It's so funny that I knew that I wasn't gonna do this road trip alone.
I'm glad it was me.
I'm glad that it was you. I'm so glad that it was you. Sometimes I feel like I'm a crazy person.
No, you're not.
Just a bit awkward.
I wonder what we're gonna be doing a year from now.
Dude, at this rate, we might be living in space. Oh, we're doing it.
We're doing it. We're doing it. Not gonna get stuck.
Oh, we're fine.
Oh, we're fine.
We're totally fine.
We're totally fine. Shh.
Oh, thank God. The one part that we decided was not going to be sketchy all of a sudden feels sketchy.
That's just how this works. That's how this works.
Okay, but you can't go back and forth too many times because...
Right, then you'll dig yourself deeper.
So, I'm not going to move anymore. I'm just going to go see where
Okay.
my tires are. Totally fine.
It's totally fine. I love it.
Oh my God, okay.
This is great. Look at this spot. Oh, Steve is so cute.
Dude is so cute. We did good. Okay.
I'm happy. I don't know if you're ready for this, but it's so pretty.
I don't know if I'm ready for it either.
Wait, how do you open this?
You just click
Just-
it down and then... Oh, wait, other way.
Oh.
Wait, just put your fingers in it.
Wait,
Oh.
yeah, like this, and then, oh wait.
It clicks, unclicks, and then one of them goes up.
Ah!
Oh my!
Look at it outside.
Oh my! Oh my! I'm at a loss. Me too, Finn. Holy criminy!
Utah continues to be one of my favorite favorite states in the United States to be on the road in. It's just crazy. When we got here yesterday, Mariah and I, we knew that rain was going to be in the forecast, but it didn't really say anything about snow, so this is kind of a very unexpected surprise. But then again, this entire road trip has been full of wonderful, unexpected surprises. I wish we could stay longer, but we have to keep moseying on to our next state, so. Without getting stuck. Here, you hold this and I'll go do it.
Okay. Nice. Got it. Oh my god. Okay, we're ready to go.
Wow, Steve has a boat. I didn't end up with a whole lot of footage from the rest of the road trip, mostly because by the time Mariah and I made it to New Mexico, we were freezing our butts off. As I'm sure you can tell, we were traveling in an unfinished box truck that had zero insulation in the middle of winter. Brilliant. This was a very last-minute idea we had, and I'm so glad we didn't overthink it. We just went for it. The plan all along was for me to road trip until we got to Denver, and then Mariah would continue her journey solo, and, well, as for me, I booked a plane ticket to the Pacific Northwest to go pick up the 4x4 rig that was supposed to be ready. Keywords there are supposed to be. This is actually what happened on the morning before my flight out of Denver, Colorado. Hi, is this Mac?
Yes.
Hey Mac, it's Anna calling. I just was wondering if you had any updates on the...
I do have an update. So, the shipping line changed the way it's getting here. Originally, it was on one boat from Melbourne, Australia to Tacoma, which was scheduled to arrive on the 15th of January.
Uh-huh.
The last time we checked with the shipping line, they said that boat was getting disembarked in Japan, and all the vehicles were getting unloaded from that boat and put onto a different ship, which is now scheduled to arrive February 9th.
Okay.
It's the first time it's happened to us, but
Okay.
the way shipping's going, kind of surprised. Anyways, that's the update. It's supposed to arrive at the Port of Tacoma February 9th. Then we have to wait for customs clearance, which on a good day happens in 3 days. It can take up to a week or so, worst case, and then we'll be picking it up.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I appreciate. Just wanted to see where things are at. I was, crossing my fingers and toes, hoping it was going to arrive by January, but can't change that.
Yeah,
so.
so we.
Oh
Yeah.
well. Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that. But
No
check
worries.
in with any other questions at any time, and we'll let you know when we have the next update on our end.
For sure. Thanks, Mac.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bro, I had a funny...
I know.
How are you feeling?
I don't know. I don't know. So you might be wondering, do I regret selling my van because of this unexpected news? And the truth is I don't. I really don't regret selling my van, because if I hadn't, this road trip with Mariah never would have happened. I'd be living in a different timeline right now, you know? And despite this setback, I hesitate to even call it a setback. A month ago, my past self said, you gotta be willing to blow up your life a little bit in order for things to get even better. Like, you have to take the risk. You have to take the chance. The point is I asked for this. This is living in uncertainty. This is what it looks like. You know how sometimes you get an idea and you get really excited about that idea, but you also know that if you don't act on that idea right away, then your brain starts to overthink everything, and in the moment it passes you by, and then you just don't end up doing the thing. Like, nothing happens. I'm telling you, I was meant to sell that red van when I did. And I do have something else coming in. It's just that it's taking a little longer than expected. Or, you know, maybe there's a world, it could possibly be this world, where the reason that there's another month-long delay is because there's something else that's meant for me that I'm just not even aware of yet. It's not in my field, and something is gonna happen in the next week or two. I'm trying to stay open. I will admit, I got probably a little bit too attached to the idea that I would have that 4x4 rig this week. And I know by now, nothing is guaranteed. So yeah, I guess the next option is to switch gears, and I don't know yet. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna hunker down in this cute Airbnb for a couple of nights and journal out my thoughts. That's gonna help. Reach out to friends. That's gonna help, and trust that everything is working out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I never know how these videos are going to turn out. Was I hoping to tease the new 4x4 rig at the end of this video? Is that what's happening? Anyway, I hope to see you soon. I will catch you in the next one. Bye! I don't know if you could hear my stomach grumble, but I need to eat. Ooh, dumplings! Yes.